Okay, I've just finished a random set of mostly quartzes. Just got out of polish. I didn't film this whole process, but just figured here in the beginning I'd show a final batch. These are going into my sonic cleaner for their final clean. On harder rocks I use a sonic cleaner, otherwise I'll just clean with borax and soap. But just wanted to kind of show a final batch here as the beginning of the channel. It's kind of cool to watch when this turns on though. Anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, and then get them out and dry them off and show you. Okay, so the rocks are done. I just ran them with a little bit of dish soap and a little bit of borax. So we've got them out of the cleaner. They're still wet, so we're just going to let them dry off and then we'll show you a close-up of the shine. Okay, all the rocks are dry. This was a very random batch, mostly quartzes, and then it's just some other, sometimes we just pick up random things and try them just to see. I'll show those. Some of them turned out better than I thought and some not at all. This was a piece of Birdseye. I did not think it was going to shine at all, but it ended up being better than I thought. I put it in here just to shape it, but it turned out nicely. Not like a mirror shine, but it's really pretty. I'm not going to show every one, but this was a piece of quartz from the Great Salt Lake. Really, really pretty. This one shined up nice. This one did not shine up nice, but we got in. It's also from the Great Salt Lake, and it has a fossil inside. Really neat. My favorite piece from the whole batch is this big piece of amethyst, and it has just an incredible shine on it. I believe this is chevron amethyst. Got some other pretty pieces of it here. This one's cool, a little more white. So a lot of people have strong opinions on perfectly round, smooth rocks versus natural. I tend to fall somewhere in the middle, and you can see that with some of these. I like to have a little character, but not completely natural. I do like rounded. Here's a few rose quartzes that took a really good shine. Get that camera to work. You get to see my terrible mechanics hands. Really, really good finish on all of these different quartz pieces. Got a few pieces here of Aventurine. These take a really good shine, quite easily. These were not great pieces, they were pretty beat up. But still, I think turned out nice. Fingerprints there. I did have a couple random Unikite pieces. They always take a pretty good shine as well. They were not high quality Unikite pieces. Still quite porous, but pretty. And these are some random pieces. This is from the Utah mountains. I believe this is nice. I did not expect it to take a shine like this though. It's still got a texture to it, but really nice and shiny. Really pretty piece. See there without the glare. I believe this was some kind of a sunstone. Really high polish here. These are a Utah rock called Birdseye Marble. They don't get a mirror finish, but they get shiny. And they are really, really cool. These were just 2 pieces of literal gravel. My son finds and likes to see if they'll polish. It turned out better than I thought. Same with this piece. I assume this piece is quartz. These are 2 pieces also from Utah mountains of quartz with lots of pretty copper and green coloring. And then they have little flecks of what I believe to be hematite. I have a lot of that done and I love the material. This is another piece of that same rock, just a lot cleaner. And last one. That's it for this batch. Just wanted to show a few that are done with final polish. A lot of these were experimental. They're not going to be ones I keep for good, but this one especially, really like the way it turned out. But thanks for watching.